Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to make this beautiful flower hanger. This whole hanger is made up on just two simple knots. This looks really pretty hanging around your house and it's really cheap. So if you want to know how I made this one, just keep watching the video. You will need a macrame thread. You will find this in any local craft stores or you can find this in Amazon as well. I will give you the link in the description below. I am going to cut a 120 inches long cord. We will be needing 8 such cords of 120 inches each. And the ring, you can use your bangle as well, or you can use this curtain ring instead of the ring, and 2 small cords of 10 inches each. Set those 8 cords together, folded them into half. I'm tying a cord on the middle just to remember the center. We are going to work on one side first. Place the ring on the middle and secure them with the help of a sellotape because we don't want them to move at all. Now take 2 cords from the sides. We are going to do 10 square knots here. To do the square knot, bring the left cord on top of the middle cords while making a triangle like this. Then bring the right cord under the middle cords and then through the triangle created. Just like this. And then do just the opposite. Like form the triangle with the right cord first, then pass the left cord through the triangle and tighten them up. Now repeat the same process 8 more times. That means in total 10 square knots. After you're done with 10 knots, we are going to make 10 more knots on the other side of the ring. After you're done, fold the cord aligning the ends of the square knots. We are going to make a gathering knot here using one of the 10 inches cord. Take the cord and make a loop like this one. One end should be long and the other should be short. With the help of the long end, start wrapping around the cords as many as you want. And at the end, pass the cord through the loop and pull both the ends. And trim the extras. Now separate the cords into 4 groups and 4 cords should be there in each group. From now on, we are just going to do square knots all over the cords. So be creative and choose your own pattern. I am putting 20 square knots first on each of the groups. Then leave a gap of about 2 inches and then make 4 more square knots again. Leave a gap and 22 more square knots and go on. Now to tie them together, we are going to do square knots but with the 2 different group of cords. Take 2 from one group and 2 from the next group and make a square knot. And at the end, join the 4 cords from the sides. It will form a circle. For the last and the final knot, hang the cord somewhere, then place a flower pot to identify where you want to do the last knot. Then remove the pot and do a gathering knot like we did in the second step. Then cut off the extras from the bottom and place the pot back in location. And our flower hanger is all ready. Do let me know how you like this one, and if you do not understand any of the step, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and you can always DM me over my Instagram. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. See you again next week. Bye bye.